when COVID happened, we were primarily a workwear brand. And we had to step back and look at sustaining the business. And we transitioned from being pure play workwear to Western wear. And we did it very quickly. And, as an entrepreneur, as even Vishal said, right? हर चीज को हम बिजनेस मॉडल या लॉजिक से नहीं फ्लो करते वी जस्ट से कि व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग दैट वी कैन रन फॉर एंड वी रन फॉर इट दैट्स योर डेली हसल एंड द लाइफ अराउंड इट राइट as we progressed to 5-6 months into COVID, what it did help us go back to the whiteboard was reflect back that what are the skill sets that we have built. And as an organization, we realized that we have built very strong supply chain, which is extremely agile. We can work with minimal inventory. We had genuinely built just-in-time tech around this. We have also built strong consumer intelligence and the data insights orientation towards it. And we already know how to build brands, etc. around it because that's what we had built around the time, right? So if you reflect back, then what we've realized is that all the fundamental business building blocks are very strong and already built. The reason we could reorient our organization was that we had this and they all played together for the first time very well and came together beautifully.
There are two things that I will talk about. Number one is control. When I started, I wanted to control everything. I was and my two other founders along with me were the center of startup universe, our startup universe, right? I mean, we felt that, startup and us is one. There is no difference between the two. We are the startup, right? And everything circles around us. As we grew, we realized that we don't have the bandwidth to have that thinking, right? I mean, as we can be our own enemies if we control the startup like as if it's our baby. While I would want to control it like my baby, but that can be very, very detrimental to the business as far as scale is concerned. So I think control, I would let go over a period of time. And while I'm letting go, because I've been an operator controlling, I would build system and process to be able to review it periodically so that it doesn't lose orbit and it doesn't really, tailspin into something difficult to require. That's one. The second one is, I think, which I would let go, and I've let go over a period of time, is zeal for perfection. Like I wanted everything to be 100%. That means we started from zero, hustle. It's gone 70%, and I'm still hustling and saying it can become 100%, right? I think we have to.